Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a sunny place filled with giggling flowers and sparkling rivers, lived Pineapple Pete. Pete was a friendly pineapple with big happy eyes and a bright green leafy top that bounced when he walked. Today was a very exciting day. The annual raft race. Pete had built a wonderful raft made of smooth, light logs tied together with strong vines. His sail was a big, colorful leaf that fluttered gently in the breeze. The other racers were getting ready too. There was Rosie the rabbit, with her soft, fluffy white fur and long, floppy ears, on a raft decorated with daisies. And there was Barnaby Bear, a round, cuddly bear with warm brown fur, whose raft had a big, juicy honeycomb on top, not for sailing, just for snacking later. The starting flag waved, and all the rafts gently pushed off into the clear blue water. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind puffed out Pete's leaf sail. "Whee!" cried Pete, as his raft zipped forward faster than the others. But oh no, Pete realized he didn't know how to steer very well. His raft started to spin and drift sideways. The finish line island, with its tall, waving palm trees and a big red and white checkered flag, was getting further away. Pete remembered he had brought an anchor, a smooth, heavy stone tied to a long, sturdy vine. He quickly tossed the anchor into the sparkling water. Plop! The vine went taut, and Pete's raft slowed down. Now he had time to think. He looked around and saw how Rosie the rabbit was gently using a long stick, like a paddle, to steer her raft. Pete grabbed a small piece of driftwood from his raft and used it like a paddle. Slowly but surely, he learned to steer. He pulled up his anchor and carefully paddled towards the finish line island. Rosie and Barnaby waved and cheered him on. Pete didn't win the race, but he reached the finish line with a big smile. Rosie and Barnaby gave him high fives, or as close as a rabbit and a bear could get. "That was fun, Pete," said Rosie. Barnaby nodded, munching on his honeycomb. Pete learned something important that day. Even when things go a little off course, like his runaway raft, we can always learn new things and find a way to reach our goal. It's all part of the adventure.
Please subscribe. Thank you.